The crypto market has been pretty stagnant over the last couple of months, but meme coins have been continuing to outperform nearly every single sector in crypto. It doesn't matter if projects have utility or not, meme coins have simply been performing the best in 2024. So recently I invested in a project that just launched over on Solana's blockchain. It's called Scrat, and the thing about this project is that Scrat is followed by some of the biggest names in the crypto space. The symbol is SCRAT, half squirrel, half rat, and it's followed by some people like Quirky, which is a major project in crypto that has a super successful launch just a couple of weeks ago. It's followed by Mando CT, Bull.bnb, Pentoshi, Blackbeard, Johnny, and some of the biggest names in the crypto space. So not just, influencers and accounts on Twitter, but also some major projects as well, like Quirky. So for this reason, I did invest in this project when it launched, and I've been involved in it since it launched, and it's right now available not only on, Radium, on Solana, but it's also already available on some of the biggest exchanges in the world, centralized exchanges for that matter. You can see like Gate.io, BingX, you also can buy it on, Radium and Orca, but it's pretty impressive to see a meme coin launch on Solana's blockchain and be available on top centralized exchanges from the very beginning. It usually never happens. And as a result of this, we can see that Scrat right now is currently sitting just around a $45 million market cap. You can see it's up significantly from where it first launched. And after the recent correction we have seen in the market, I'm expecting this to continue to rally and outperform other projects and other sectors of the market. This project has an insane amount of liquidity. You can see it has $3.4 million in its liquidity. There's quite a bit of the liquidity actually locked, and this is another benefit. This is why I think we've started to see a lot of big name people get into this project, is because of the huge amount of liquidity that they have. In addition to this, if we're looking at some things in terms of their website and what they're doing, we can see that with Scrat, their website talks about how it's half squirrel, half rat, forever in pursuit of my runaway bag. And they talk about a few main things. So because they're a meme coin, they're also playing off of the narrative idea. So they have not only a strong team behind the project, but also the narrative, the community. They say, look, meet Scrat, just your lovable average fusion between squirrel and rat, one with a score to settle, one of the richest creature in existence. A tragic accident involving an iceberg and global warming resulted in Scrat dropping the bag, and it continues on a little bit more. In addition to this, it talks a little bit about tokenomics. So not only are they big on the narrative, the community, building that strong, community over on Telegram and on X, but in terms of tokenomics, there's a lot to like about it as well. You can see in terms of the tokenomics, there's 0% taxes for both buy and sell, liquidity burned, mint and freeze has been revoked, and 100 million token supply. So this is something that I actually pretty much like about the project, is the supply, because when you're looking at a lot of meme coins, their supplies get to be in the billions, if not trillions of tokens, and I actually like when they have slightly lower supply. So when Scrat hits $1 per token, that's simply going to be, it has $100 million market cap. It's very simple, easy to follow. When it hits $1 billion market cap, it's going to have a $10 price. So it's very simple, and I like that about the project. Other things you can see with it is it talks a little bit how to buy it, where you can get it. Like it says it's available on LBank, XT.com, Gate.io, MEXC, BingX, Polynex, but it talks also about FAQs about the project. So a few things. It says what Scrat is, who is the project. It says who's behind the project. Crypto degenerates with unmatched meme token experience. We've supported this brilliant market across the globe, and we're bringing on talents to this new project. What chain is Scrat on? Well, it's on Solana, and they think the future of this project is going to be very important for the Solana meme coin narrative as it continues to develop, because Scrat is the very first squirrel that is ever built on Solana's blockchain. So it's the first squirrel meme token. So like I said, this community has been growing very quickly and already has a $46 million market cap with around $3.4 million in liquidity. So it's definitely exactly what you want to see. Other things I want to talk about is when this project first launched. So you can see they're having a Twitter Spaces right now, but when the project first launched on June 23rd, they saw nearly $30 million in volume across different platforms, on their centralized exchanges, on decentralized exchanges. And this, again, is something that is unheard of for a new meme coin that is launching, seeing that type of volume and those levels of volume. So as a result of this, since they've been very successful, had a very good launch, had a lot of major partners, are having big names following them on Twitter, they are announcing an airdrop. So this airdrop was just announced recently. It's $100,000 worth of Scrat to the best meme coin community. It says top holders of the winning project will receive airdrop of Scrat, and the rules are: vote for your community in the poll below, like and retweet the post, and comment your project. So ultimately, with Scrat, they're trying to not only support their projects and their community, but also people in other meme coin projects. And that's going to help them long term, in my opinion, because seeing that they're not just trying to raise a bunch of money, see the token price increase, but they are really trying to build out their community long term is something that you definitely like to see. In addition to this, you can see that Watcher Guru also posted an article recently about them as well, where you can see that a lot of people are saying that Scrat could be the next dog with hat, the next bonk. It has a ton of potential to, maybe cross that $1 billion market cap. Because right now, if you're looking at Solana meme coins, the total Solana meme coin market cap is just under $7 billion. Dog with hat is around $2 billion. Bonk is around $1.5 billion. But there's nothing else past that billion range as of right now. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see there's a lot in, the $40-50 million range. But with Scrat, it is one of the newest and quickest to ever reach this market cap. And so with the current state of the market, I'm expecting big things for Scrat moving forward. So we'll keep an eye out on what happens with this token. But right now, you can see over on Dex Screener all the information about the project. If you want to go ahead and buy it, it's available on a number of centralized exchanges, which you can see just directly on their website. You just can click on, LBank, XT.com, Gate.io, MEXC, BingX, Polynex. It'll bring you right there. But this is exactly what you want to see for a new project that is launching. And in this state of the market, like I said, meme coins have simply been outperforming every single sector. Doesn't matter if they have utility, doesn't matter if they're L1 cryptos, it doesn't matter. Meme coins have simply been performing the best in 2024.